Hello everyone. So let's see the phrase of the day. So the phrase is give someone a run for their money. Spell out with me. Give someone a run for their money. Let's see the meaning of it. So its meaning is to be as good as someone who is already a perfectionist in that field or to give competition to someone. Means जब कोई person अपनी particular field में बहुत अच्छा है, that person is really expert in that field and you are also as good as that person और आप भी बहुत अच्छे हो उसी field में, basically you are giving competition to that person. So जब हम किसी को competition देते हैं और हम भी उसी के जैसे expert होते हैं किसी field में, तो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं that we are giving a run for their money. Examples: don't underestimate the opponents, they can give us a run for our money. हमें अपने opponents को underestimate नहीं करना चाहिए, वो हमें tough competition देते हैं, means they can give us a run for our money. Second, she could go up against the team and give them a run for their money. वो टीम के अगेंस्ट जा सकती है and can give them a run for their money. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video informative, and if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.